All right, Tim's got a question around Autopilot. If we have apps that target all users and devices, will those install during the enrollment status page phase? Depends. If they're required, there is a good chance of it. And also, if you have in your enrollment status page those applications configured as blocking apps, here, most certainly. So long as you have this list smaller. Something that we talk about regularly in these blocking apps, even though you have the ability to set up to 100 blocking apps, you really do want this list to stay small. In general, the applications that you really must have for your users to be productive as soon as they get to the desktop and for your endpoints to be secure are the things that we most commonly recommend having here. So what we see are security agents, maybe VPN client, Microsoft 365 apps are a common thing that we see here as well. And again, that's because if you think about what are users going to use immediately when they get to the desktop, 9 times out of 10 in my experience, it's your browsers. So we have Edge and then Outlook primarily. And then, of course, from the security side, you want to make sure your devices are secure right from the get-go. So, Tim, it does depend. If you have them set as required and have them as blocking apps here, that's going to give you a little bit more black and white picture of they should install at that point. Otherwise, they're going to come down later on after the fact. And of course, if they're just set as available, then the users will be able to go into the company portal once they get to the desktop, and the company portal comes down and install those applications if they need them or want them.